This question is a logarithms question and really highlights two properties of logarithms that we will want to know for the ACT. It says if log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of 4 is equal to x, what is the value of x? Okay, so the first property that we want to see in this question is called the product property. And so it says this, log base b, whatever the base is, of some argument, we'll just call that m, whatever that value is, plus log base b, those two bases have to be the same, of another argument, we'll say n, those can be condensed or combined by multiplying the two arguments, so m times n. So that looks like this, log base b of m times n. Okay, so let's apply that to what we have in the question. We have log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of 4. From the product property above, we can just say that that equals log base 2 of 8 times 4, which is 32. Okay, and then another property of logarithms we'll want to know says the following. Log base b, so again, whatever the base is, of an argument b, so those two things would be the same, raised to some power, we'll call it x, is just going to equal whatever that power is. All right, so if we apply that to our logarithm that we now have, we have log base 2. We want to write our argument with the same base. So essentially what we're saying is, how do we, or can we write 32 as a base of 2? Or, again said differently, 2 to the what power is going to equal 32, all right? So we may know this, or you could just say, okay, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2, so 5 2's get us 32. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. So those two things say the same thing. Log base 2, log base 2, 2 to the 5th is 32. But from this property, now that we have the base matching, the 2's match, then it's just going to be whatever the exponent is. And in this case, our exponent is the 5. So it's going to equal 5. So that is what that x value ends up equaling, is 5. And we can see that in choice H.